Hey, how's it going, guys? I just thought I'd make a video on the 2012 Ford Mustang I got here and the light upgrade I'm going to be doing. Well, I already started doing. So as you can see, I got the 2012 lights with the little notch down here, and of course, like most people, I love the 13 and 14 taillights, but I still have that gap in the bumper. So what I ended up doing is buying this kit. I think it was off American Muscle, and basically you just put on these little pieces here that fill in the gap. I wanted to get like a real bumper, but I guess I can wait until I find a color match bumper for this car to actually make it look more proper. But basically it just comes with these two sticky pieces of plastic with 3M sticky tape, and it'll fill in that gap. So basically what I've done so far is I took out this trim piece here, which is right here. Don't mind the mess, it'll be cleaned up. And you basically just take this, I think there's Christmas tree clips here. You kind of just pull the thing up and then you unplug your light right here. So that's simply just out of the way. And then, so then you just have plug this. I still got the 4 ways going, but that's fine. Unplug that, and then you got your 3 nuts. 1, 2, 3. It's a super easy job. Just get these off. Then you take these nuts off. Alright, so once you get those 3 nuts off, then you're just going to take that and push it through, which I already just did with my finger. Unplug that connector, and then this light will slide right out. Pretty much like that. Just give it a tug and it should come right out, and then your connector will come out here. That's it. So you get rid of this light. Now there's a big gaping hole. It's kind of funny. It's all dirty. Get like leaves and crap out of here. I'll clean that up a little bit. But next I'm gonna actually take this one back out, and then I'll show you how I put those little pieces on, and it should make this car look a lot cleaner for sure. Didn't catch that on camera, but just took the pieces off, cleaned it obviously before, and then started right here at the edge, trying to make it a little flush or get that round piece right in that groove, and then try to keep it flush, pushing it up, and looks fine, you know. I definitely need to polish this light. You can see how this is new, and this is just a little scratch, so I'm gonna get some polish eventually once I polish this car, and I'll just hit this light nice and easy with like a drill, like a 2-inch pad. But that's it for that. So let me install that and see how it looks. Well, there it is installed. As you can see, you know, you got the trim piece right there. It protrudes into the bumper, but probably looks better than that gap right there. So yeah, that's a wrap on that. Let me do this other side and then I'll show you how the final result looks. While I was letting the alcohol dry on this, this is the nicer piece, or the 1314 light. I couldn't help but notice that this is a sealed unit, like a fully sealed LED unit, meaning there's just a plug, everything's sealed. This one's LED, but this one has interchangeable bulbs, so if you burn them out, you can actually change them, which I prefer, but this look is much better. So I guess once you have a burnt out bulb, either you rip it apart and do it yourself in a weird fashion, or you have to get a new one, preferably OEM, because then they won't even match. I'm sure this one, or the aftermarket, would be not as bright as the OEM one, so just a quick note on that. Alright, so I got my trim piece back in, my light hooked back up here. It's pretty simple, just plug it in. Then you got Christmas tree clip here, and then you snap this one in here, snap that one in there, and then these are like plastic nuts that then go over the thread that actually is from the taillight. This one is a little loose, I'm trying to get it tighter, but I'll worry about that later. Just can't get it to grab. But that's pretty much a job well done with this conversion. Like I said, I got the kit from American Muscle, and then the taillights I bought secondhand for like 400 bucks. Kind of expensive, but if you think about it, the aftermarket ones are like 400 to 450 that are actually, you know, covering this piece here. These are a little bit more for the conversion, but I think they look a lot better than the OEM, or actually the aftermarket ones for this year, just my opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. There's the final look. Yeah, looks good. All right, thanks for watching.